Hello, my name is Edwin Alejandro Naranjo Muñoz. I am 40 years old and live in the city of Bogota and share my life with my wife Daisy Leal, a wonderful woman who is 37 years old and also live in Bogota. She is a preschool teacher and profession. She cares or with great dedication, love, and responsibility. Her passion for teach and her loving way of intelligence with children are quality is the admirable. Together we have beautiful family and have two children who fill our home with joy and motivation. Living with team is an enriched experience. What inspired me every day to be better father and the better person. Bogota is the setting for her family life and city full the contrasts and opportunities. Her days be they white, bull, or dreams and share moments that strengthen or bonds. Thank you.